हाँ जी पहलवान की हाल चाल वेलकम back to another video. So let's begin with the first question. So what does a strip representation of an action consist of? Like what are the two things? Like first one is the preconditions and second is the effects. So basically the preconditions are basically the set of instructions or conditions that must be true, that must be executed before we are sending data to another thing, right? So we are starting from home and we are going to University of Fraser Valley. So these are the set of conditions that need to be executed, and we are going by car or other sources, bike. You can see here. Okay, this next question. So what are effects? These are the set of changes that are required by an action, which includes the addition effects or the deletion effects. Okay, so what is strip assumption? So basically, a strip assumption is only the effects in a way that are mentioned in the effects. Any conditions which are not changing are assumed to remain unchanged. This is similar to the way that actions have a limited influence and they do not affect the another things or the another state, which are explicitly defined. So another two example types of constraints used in CSP: the unary constraints. So these are single variable, and like value of n must be smaller than 4, and binary two variables, not they both can be same unless and until we have a condition not equal to. What is horizon in a planning problem? So horizon in a planning problem means the maximum number of steps or maximum number of actions that we can take to go to our goal or achieve the limit. So next question is, what is the starting point? So this was our starting point, home. And where do we need to go? We need to go to University of Fraser Valley. What must be the preconditions to go by bike? We must have a bike, and after modification also we take the bike. That is the thing. Okay, so what would be the post conditions? We would to go by bike, like we would reach University of Fraser Valley after taking the action here. Okay, and we would no longer be at home. Okay, which values are removed? So we can see either of the values is going. So if car is true, solution found is home to UFE, and we are taking car, and bike is false. So here it would be false. We are taking car, that is true. And here we can see car is false and bike is true, which means that we are taking bike. And here you can see both of them were true, right? So we did back tracing. Stepped back and then I clicked auto solve. So these were the preconditions: from home, taking car and going to UFE, from home taking bike and going to UFE. So this is how we set the horizon 1 and solve this CSP applet version strips problem using AI space. Thank you.